Hello and welcome to the first official video of the Edinburgh Drone Company YouTube channel, otherwise known as EDC. It says it up there, and yes, that is a sign made out of drone parts. Drone repairs is a side of the business among many others. However, our overall aim is to scour the world for all drones manufactured and bring the best of the bunch straight to you guys. Although we do sell drones on our website, which you can find down in the description, we have no affiliation or priority to any one brand. We're here to give our full and honest opinions. I'm Jack, and I'll be who you mainly see, as I'm in charge of running the YouTube channel, and we'll be getting a video to you at least every Monday, with some possibly in between. If you have any ideas, then we're always welcome to suggestions, so please let us know down in the comments. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the space and introduce you to the boss man, that is Ross Man. He's next door. So here we have the studio, and then next, storage space, editing area, and now I'm just going to take you next door, meet Ross, see where the magic happens. It's like cribs this, come on.
Hello Ross.
Hi, I'm the founder of Edinburgh Drone Company. We help you with your UAV requirements, so we can supply new, we can maintain your UAVs, we can inspect using UAVs, we can implement, so we help you implement UAVs into your business, and we can design custom UAVs. It's a proud moment that we're basically going to leave all of the video and YouTube side to Jack, who's currently filming behind you. There he is. So it's a proud moment for us at EDC that we're entrusting Jack with this momentous task. And good luck, and keep an eye out for me. If you do spot me, comment below and say what you...
You can cut that back. Comment below. No one cares about you.
So welcome to the world of Edinburgh Drone Company. Remember to subscribe for all the videos we'll be bringing out very soon.